Hey, what's up? Dilo here with another tutorial, this time doing a mullet fade, and we start by disinfecting our clippers, shavers, trimmers, everything with the cool care and spraying out all the dead skin and hair from it. I start combing the hair down so the clippers can go through better, and I start with the 3 guard, the number 3 guard, and I'm gonna start flicking out all the way to the top, and I'm gonna help it with the comb as you can see so the hairs won't get loose at the end. Cleaning all the area where I'm gonna put the fading, that is gonna be like the side part and a little bit like an inch more behind that ear, as you can see, in a like rounded shape because I wanted to get flow, don't do it so straight. And now with the 1.5 guard, I'm gonna start cleaning the space below that number 3 guard, and I'm gonna try to fade it in with the lever open. And also where I'm gonna put the lineup, that is gonna be all the contours like below the behind the ears and the C cups, everything. I try to keep it clean, so that's why I'm touching all the spots like more specific and just a little bit because I want the long hair to still be there in the back. So I just cut a little bit in the contours, like in the back in the head and behind the ear, but I don't go too high because I want to keep that bulk and that long hair, just like that. I try to keep my area clean, brush it up, all the hairs down, like you can see. And I'm gonna start the ball line. I do a little bit like between half and an inch above that ear, and I'm gonna end it up right at the half of the ear, as you can see, right where is the half point where the ear is. As you can see, I did like a little curve, and I'm gonna clean all those hairs below that ball line because I wanna keep it clean so the shaver later can pass through very nice and easy. Then with the clippers lever open, I'm gonna do the first guideline above that first ball line, and it's gonna be about half an inch in a flick out motion, just like that. And I'm gonna go all the way around, and I'm gonna stop behind the middle of the ear, or a little bit more actually, like a little bit more behind that ear. I'm gonna stop right there. Then with the 1 guard lever open, I'm gonna do the second guideline, that is gonna be like 3/4 of an inch on top of the guideline we just did, and it's gonna be also in a flick out motion. Look how I'm very like precautious, not going too high, and I also grab the ear so I can take out better those spots behind the ear. It's kinda hard to do it if you don't move the ear. Then I'm gonna close it up and start flicking out the middle of that line, that is gonna be between the half and the 1 open, and we're just gonna flick out in a scooping motion just with the corners of the blade. As you can see, I'm not going even like all the way all over the place. I'm just picking the spots one by one with the corner of the blade, trying to flick out and smooth out that middle line that you can see over there, just like that. Also, I kinda open up a little bit once in a while to check on details. Then with the shavers, I'm gonna make skin that ball line. As you can see, I'm not going all the way to the top of the line. I'm just stopping a little bit before, and I tap it a little bit. Then with the clippers lever closed, I'm gonna start flicking out that bottom line just with the corners of the blade, being very careful. As you can see, I'm barely touching it, flicking it out. And as soon as I get that bottom line, I'm gonna open the lever and I'm gonna go a little bit higher with the same motion, scooping out with the corner of the blade. As you can see, I'm trying to finish fading away all the fade. That is gonna be left a little bit of a line in the bottom. Don't worry about it, we're gonna take it out soon, you'll see. I open and close too, just to check on detail. If you feel like it, do it. Then with the trimmers, with the corner of the blade also, I'm gonna finish fading that bottom line on the shaver, between the shaver and the 0. And as you can see, it looks a lot more clean now. It's like that. Then with the half guard lever open, I'ma flick out that middle line that you can see a little bit of darkness, and I only use the corner of the blade. And as soon as I finish flicking out this dark spot that I think I saw, I'ma close the lever and finish detailing a little bit below that flicking that we were just doing, just to finish cleaning up the spots, but a little bit more under, as you can see. Same, only using the corner of the blade, always in fading, just corner of the blade. No matter what fade or shape, you gotta do it like that so it can be smoother. I also open and close a little bit, trying to detail that. Then with the clipper overcome technique, we're gonna hit that spot where the fade and the top connects, and only that spot. As you can see, I'm not going higher than that. I'm just trying to remove the bulk that is in that area, and I don't go too high because I want to keep the darkness and the bulk a little bit. I want to keep the fade dark because it's a low type of mullet, and as you can see, I'm doing like a flick out motion only in that line, and it's not completely gonna go away. We're gonna fade that later. Then with the trimmers, I'm gonna start lining up the contours of the fade and the haircut. In the back he wanted rounded, so we're gonna do a rounded shape. As you can see, I'm moving the ear and everything. Don't press too much on that neck, on that ears, because you're gonna irritate the client. Do a little bit of taps. The trimmer is very sharp, so you gotta keep that on mind. If you're starting cutting hair, don't go too hard. And try to check on all the angles on the haircut. Not only checking on the side, checking on the back, checking on the front. Like that is gonna look a lot more clean. And we go to the front lineup, and as always, I check it from the front. Like I step right in front of the client and try to keep it straight. That helps me with not having crooked sides. Like it's all even. In the C-cups, I do a little bit of the tip, and I go to the side and finish the curve, as you can see. And I also hit a little bit the tips on the corners of the lineup, so it can be more sharp, like straight sharp. Now with the scissor over comb, I'm gonna start detailing using only the tips of the scissors. As you can see, I'm only taking those dark spots. I don't even go all the way through all the hairs, only where I see the dark spots up there in the transition between fade and top, and in the bottom transition from shaver to half guard. I'ma do the point cutting technique, only helping me with the fingers, because with the comb you can get those spots, it's too short. So that's why I do the point cutting technique, and I only take the dark spots so it can look a lot more cleaner, like that. Then with the thinning shears, I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the scissors in that transition, but with the thinning shears. Everywhere where I see bulk or a lot of darkness, that's where I hit it. I don't hit it all the way, and also I don't do more than 2 or 3 cuts because you can get the hair too thin. And there I'm gonna finish the detail of the haircut with some freehand and a little bit of help with the comb, but it's also more about the freehand. As you can see, I'm helping it with the fingers right back on the blade so I don't go too deep. I do this so I can get the shape I want for the haircut, no hair sticking out. And there you go, those are the results of the haircut. That's the mullet fade. This is a real quick tutorial. If you follow these steps, I assure you, you're gonna get a clean blurry fade just like this. And don't forget any of the steps. Believe me, do every one of them, even if you don't feel like doing it because it's already done. If you do them, trust me, you'll get a better result. Hey, what's up everyone, Dilo here. I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'm gonna start posting more and more. I listen to you. Let me know what you think. Give it a like, subscribe to see more videos, and see you later.